Hi guys, I am SMC FX TRADER, and in this video I am going to show you how can I get every day consistently 3 RR on synthetics indices. Synthetics are exotic pairs. If you know, you can get this at deriv.com. It's a binary. So at first I was looking at the market structure. It was overall bullish, and I went to the 1 hour time frame, and then I saw that market was breaking structure. Let me show you. Like, this was a trade that I took on a 15 or 5 minute time frame. It was a proper hit, like 5 hour average, and when I enter on 1 hour time frame, I myself like higher time frames because it gives me more clarification and more confirmation to enter and stay in the market, because it gives me clear breakup structure and clear change of character and all. And first I looked at, it was an equal high, relative equal high, and market broke structure at this level, and as you can see it was a break of structure. And then I saw that it is H1 OV. Okay, this one or OV right here, and I thought that let's see if I can get 3 RR from this trade. And I saw that it was bouncing at from here. Okay, like this level. This is the level that you can see. Okay, then I saw that market was breaking structure again, and I thought I should enter. So I entered from this OV, taking a proper risk of 1% or 3% in synthetics, like as usually I do, and I got this 3 RR trade. If I myself holded this trade for like this level or this level, it would be an 8 hour trade. But I don't want to take any chaos. Okay, I was like, okay, I take this 3 hour trade, and then if I get more confirmation I will enter. Then I saw that market should respect this level because it was a higher market and bullish market. So I thought that market should uh, it was a higher low, then higher high, then higher low, then again higher high. Okay, like, then I saw that it was this OV that it should respect, but it didn't. Then I saw that it was a fake change of character. Okay, this change of character, it was a fake change of character. Let me mark it. Let me mark it right here. Okay, it was a fake change of character. Then I saw that it didn't respect this level. How? Because I was waiting to enter. Then I saw that market was breaking structure and changing its character again, and it took this equal high liquidity. Then I thought that this was the zone that I should wait. I should wait like for its RR. Then I marked this zone, and I saw that it was coming this level, and it was breaking structure again. Okay, it was breaking structure again, but before that I entered. How? Because I saw that in this H1 OB level it was a flip zone. Flip zone is like when supply becomes demand and the demand becomes supply. Okay, so I saw this level, and I thought that okay, this was a week that grabbed all the liquidity. Like, everyone tries to use this flip zone, everyone was trying to use this flip zone to enter, but overall the buyers took them out, and here it was out. Okay, then I thought I should enter. Okay, like, it's a liquidity grab, as you can see I have marked it. Then I entered from here, and I targeted like 7 hour or 6 hour trade, and I took this TP here because I saw again that it was breaking structure, change of character, and overall every other thing. Then I thought I should exit the market, and before that I entered this trade. It was an OV, and it was at 61.8%. Let me mark it right here. Let me show you. Like, if I mark this, then you can see that 61.8%, this is the OV that it should respect. So I entered from this and took this 6 hour, like 7 hour, and then like 3 hour. It was like every day I can hit RR, and like for 2 days I was sick and I couldn't see the market, and I thought I should start by making a single video. And today I'm ready to catch some RR. Okay, and I myself like 1:1 and 1:2, because it's easy to get, and you can stay profitable in this way. So I have a signal group that you can join, and in that signal group I only give signals on synthetics indices like instant entry or limit entry. Like this, you can take these trades and get profitable easily. So comment down or join our Telegram group to see all the details. Okay, thank you.